Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Atelier channel where I, Paige, am here to give us all the pep talk in a 60-second video. Sometimes, to get re-inspired and to feel a little less chaotic, we have to clean up. Now that could mean our living spaces, but it could also mean our manuscripts, or in my case today, both. My draft was looking really messy, and I'm not talking like grammar and punctuation and stuff. I'm talking my chapters weren't properly separated, everything was just kind of bleh on the Scrivener document. So I spent my morning organizing everything, adding a couple words here and there, so that when I start sprinting later, I am ready and prepared, and I can already feel a little more clarity on what I want to do with my story. Similarly, I'm also doing a bunch of laundry because it's NaNoWriMo. Sometimes you forget to do laundry. So take the time today to clean up a little, whether that is your living space, your manuscript. We've got like a week or so to go, so keep writing, stay inspired, connect with your community, sprint with friends, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye everyone!